extremely happy that I discovered the ARU apprenticeship programme. Once I'd started working and really knew that I wanted to do my nursing, the apprenticeship route was the best option for me because I could still earn money while I was learning.
It's the best way to complete education while still getting paid, and it gives me the opportunities to go on my holidays that I enjoy and to be able to save at the same time.
Doing an apprenticeship pathway has allowed me to earn while I learn, which is really beneficial for me because I have a young family at home. They're really happy that I'm learning, but also appreciate the time that I still have with them.
It's a 5-year course alongside work where I can develop industry skills, make contacts with people and actually learn the business of my role.
There are things I learned in class that I was able to apply in my job, and there's things that I've learned from working in the industry in the real world that I was able to apply to my studies.
I didn't get particularly good grades when I left school. I'd given up on the idea that I was going to be able to access university or higher education, but Anglia Ruskin were more than happy to give me a go.
ARU provide a clinical supervisor and they liaise directly with my on-site supervisor. We work as a team to make sure that I progress well.
My ARU tutor's been great. I've had her throughout my apprenticeship programme. She's always been really supportive and there if I have any queries.
There's a lot of opportunity both academically and from a welfare point of view to make sure that I'm comfortable and happy with the workload.
The apprenticeship has taught me skills for life such as teamwork, communication and just having an increased level of confidence.
I can see a massive improvement in myself. Speaking to members of the public when they have any issues, I'm able to put my views forward and I'm able to help and advise them.
I've took on a new role within the business, been promoted to senior apprentice. I oversee the development of the younger apprentices as well.
The apprenticeship programme is life-changing really. I wouldn't have achieved all that I have in life if it wasn't for it.
It's just worked out so well for me.
It's utterly changed my life, to be honest, and I'm really grateful for that.